Ladies and gentlemen, now we're standing in front of our town hall. I already told you earlier that this building was made around 1920-25. But I have a very nice story to tell you about this town hall. When they planned this town hall, it was a custom in those days to show the plan to our queen. We're the queen in those days. Why? Sometimes the queen visits her subjects and she wants to wave to the people. She wants to have a nice building. So the politicians here in Rotterdam said, okay queen, we're building here a nice town hall. Did you like the plan? And she said, yeah, it's a fantastic building, very representative, but there's one problem. One problem, all the politicians were under big stress. One problem, yes, you make 3 separate balconies here. And that doesn't suit me, because when I come here with an entourage, I need a bigger balcony. And you can see, they listen to her, eh? They listen to her. And now comes my story. Eh? You know Amsterdam, eh? Amsterdam is a football club called Ajax. Very rich, very technical. Rotterdam is a football club called Feyenoord. Blood, sweat and tears. Not so rich. Amsterdam International League once in 2 years, 3 years. Feyenoord wins the National League every 25 years. But when Feyenoord, like 3-4 years ago, win the National Football League, they have a big party going in because the balcony is big enough for the whole team and the children and the football trainer. So 200,000 people make one big feast here, singing and dancing. So thanks to our queen, every 25 years we have a big party going on here on this square. Nou, dat vinden mensen enorm leuk.
Jij ook hoor. Ik ook, ja zeker.